Wanna build some PC, but you are broke as fuck? Yo, what's up guys, Joda here. So most of my video I'm going to talk about building a budget gaming PC for beginner. So the CPU that we're going to use today is Ryzen 3 3100. It comes with the motherboard, which is MSI P450M, and for the GPU is GTX 1650 by Gigabyte. And for today's build, I'm not going to use any hard disk, but I'm going to use M.2 SSD. So for this SSD, it has three colors, which is green, blue, and black. Let's say if you want to upgrade it in the future, you better go for the black. Not trying to be racist, but black is much better performance, and of course, better performance costs more money. So since this is a budget build, we don't have to be fussy about it. I go for the cheapest one, which is WD Green. So for the RAM, 8GB, 2666 MHz. You can use any RAM that you want, but like I said just now, if you have any extra cash, you can go for 16GB. That is just a sweet spot for any PC. Alright, let's move to our PSU. So the tips for you to choose your PSU is make sure every PSU that you purchase has the certification on it, which is 80 silver, 80 bronze, 80 platinum, anything like that. This is to indicate that this PSU is already tested in a factory and it is safe for you to use inside your PC, your lovely PC. So for the case, you can use any case that you want. For this build, I'm going to choose M3 Plus by Techwear. So this is good enough and it looks sturdy. Good, huh? So enough with the shit talk, let's go build some PC. So that's how you build your first gaming PC. For you to watch porn, for you to play games. And if you like this kind of video, please leave a like and subscribe. See you next time. Konnichiwa. Bye bye.